Hi, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Hi. Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining. We'll wait for some more time and then start the show. Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Yeah, I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shru's Eternity. So today we will be showing you a variety of sari. We will start on with tussar silk saris, plain tussar silk saris, and we've also got a different variety which is shibori on tussar silk sari, and we are going to be showing you Kanchi cotton saris, and then we have a few raw silks to be showcased, and then we'll have soft silk, and then we'll end the session with Kanjivarams. So the range is going to be between 2950 and it goes up to 9000 in today's video. People who would like to buy these saris that I'm showcasing in the video today, there'll be a link that will be present in the comment section. Post the live session is done, you can click on the comment section's link to look at all the saris that I showcase in the video today. Simultaneously, you can also log on to www.shruseternity.com. You'll find a tab called Live Saris on to your left. Please click on that, and then you'll find another tab called Sunday Live. Please click on the tab to look at all these saris. Let's get on to the show. Before we start, I would like to tell you about the sari that I am wearing. This is a pure soft silk sari. So it's got beautiful jari woven buttas all over the body and very pretty kanchi borders on either sides of the sari. The borders of the sari have peacocks in it, and the whole body has floral buttas in both gold and silver. Comes with a beautiful purple colored jari pallu and a plain purple color blouse. So I have matched it with a hand embroidery blouse. This is quite a simple blouse. So the price of the sari is
10,250.
Yeah. With that, we'll get on to the show.
We'll start off with the show with sari number 1, priced at 2,980.
This is a beautiful magenta with blue combination. Gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. Plain body. A striped jari pallu which has got a contrast blue color. And a beautiful plain blue color blouse. So I have got beautiful color combination in the same design.
Yeah, sari number 1, priced at 2,980. Moving on to sari number 2, priced at 2,980. 2980, sari number 2.
Next is going to be a beautiful mamba yellow with red combination. Very pretty gold jari borders on either sides of the sari, as you can see. Quite a plain body. A striped jari pallu in red. And a plain red color blouse.
Yes, sari number 2, priced at 2,980, 2980. Up next is sari number 3, priced at 2,980.
This is a very pretty leaf green with yellow combination. Comes with gold jari borders on either sides. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful striped jari pallu in yellow and a plain yellow color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 3, priced at 2,980.
So by the way, these are Gicha tussar.
Yeah, this is sari number 4, priced at 2,980.
So this is a beautiful orange with pink combination. So the whole body has very pretty self-striped kind of a design all over the body. So Gicha tussar. Beautiful gold jari borders on either sides. A pinkish magenta colored jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Yes, sari number 4, priced at 2,980. Moving on to sari number 5, priced at 2,980. 2980, sari number 5.
This is a beautiful magenta pink with sea green combination. Gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. Very pretty sea green colored jari pallu and a plain green color blouse.
Yeah, sari number 5 priced at 2,980. Up next is sari number 6 priced at 2,980. All these are pure Desi Tussar Becha silk sari priced at 2,980.
Next we have a lime yellow with gold jari borders. Beautiful grey colored jari pallu. That's going to be the pallu. And a plain grey color blouse. It's a very pretty color combination.
Yeah, sari number 6 priced at 2,980.
Very classy, lightweight, pure Tussar Becha silk saris. So the color combination are beautiful.
Yeah, up next is sari number 7 priced at 3,950.
This is a beautiful shibori sari. Shibori design on pure Tussar silk. Very pretty gold jari borders on either side, and the whole of the body have shibori patterns in it, as you can see, in beige, orange and green. Very pretty striped jari pallu and a plain green color blouse.
Sari number 7 priced at 3,950. Moving on to sari number 8 priced at 3,950.
So this is again a beautiful shibori on pure Tussar silk. Gold jari borders on either sides. The whole body has a nice beetroot purple, a teal and an orange combination. Combination of all three in the pallu along with jari borders, and a beautiful purple colored blouse.
Yeah, sari number 8 priced at 3,950. Moving on to sari number 9 priced at 3,950.
This is again a very pretty shibori design. This comes with green, brown and beige combination. Gold jari borders on either sides. Very pretty combination of all three in the pallu along with jari stripes. And a plain green color blouse.
Sari number 9 priced at 3,950. This is sari number 10 priced at 2,980. 2,980 sari number 10.
A very pretty light sea green with a light baby pink combination. Beautiful gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. Very pretty jari pallu in light pink and a plain baby pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 10. Price at 2,980. Let's start off with our Kanchi cotton saris for this session. Starting with sari number 11, price at 3,490.
So this is going to be a beautiful katam, traditional katam design on the whole body and woven peacock designs in the borders, which has got Ganga Jamuna borders in it. The upper portion of the sari has a very pretty green color border along with peacock motifs. The lower half of the sari has a magenta colored border with peacock thread woven patterns. The whole body has katam designs. A beautifully woven pallu and a plain blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 11, priced at 3,490. Up next is sari number 12, priced at 4,290.
This is a beautiful iron butta concept. The whole body has a beautiful checkered pattern. It's a nice deep magenta. Retapet borders in the borders on either side. The whole body has a checkered pattern which has got chakra, yanai and peacock buttas. And that's going to be the traditional pallu and a plain purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 12, priced at 4,290. 4,290, sari number 12.
Very classy saris. I'll be showing you two more colors in the same design. This is going to be a dark navy blue.
Yeah, this is sari number 13, priced at 4,290.
Katam design all over the body along with peacock, yanai and chakra. Retapet borders on either sides. A traditional pallu and a plain navy blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 13, priced at 4,290. 4,290.
Next we have a beautiful maroon.
Yeah, this is saree number 14, priced at 4,290. 4290, saree number 14.
With reticulated borders on either side, which has got nice peacock and Yane buttas in it. The whole body has chakra, peacock and Yane buttas. That's going to be the whole body. A thread woven pallu, a plain maroon color blouse.
Saree number 14, priced at 4,290. Saree 15, priced at 4,950. 4,950.
So we'll be showing you raw silks. So this is a dark magenta with black combination. It's a one-side border. The whole body has jari stripes in it, and the lower half of the saree has beautiful black color temple designed border, as you can see. And the whole of the pallu is jari and a beautiful striped jari blouse. Very classy saree.
Saree number 15, priced at 4,950. Yeah, this is saree number 16, priced at 6,950. 6,950, saree number 16.
This is a very beautiful maroon with black combination. Borderless saree. The whole of the body has very pretty silver striped jari patterns all over, as you can see. Beautiful contrast black color jari pallu with silver jari, and a very pretty plain black color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 16, priced at 6,950. We will start off with our soft silk collection for the day. Starting with saree number 17, priced at 7,580. 7,580.
This is a beautiful teal blue with purple combination. Both the sides of the saree have a thin strip of silver color jari border. The whole of the body has a self-striped pattern along with tiny leaf jari woven buttas in silver. A beautiful purple colored jari pallu, very classy saree, and a self-striped purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 17, priced at 7,580. Moving on to saree number 18, priced at 8,450. 8,450.
This is a beautiful navy blue colored saree with a thin strip of gold jari border and purple color border in the borders. It's got a very nice abstract pattern. Sold a lot of colors in the design. A never hit design. A beautiful triangular designed pallu and a plain blouse. Very pretty saree.
Yeah, this is saree number 18, priced at 8,450. Moving on to saree number 19, priced at 8,950. 8,950.
A beautiful mandular green with an orangish pink combination. Very pretty plain border in the upper portion along with jari buttas. Very pretty borders in the lower half of the saree with beautiful peacock and floral buttas. The whole body has floral jari woven pattern. A very richly woven orangish pink color pallu and a plain orangish pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 19, priced at 8,950. Moving on to saree number 20, priced at 9,450. 9,450, saree number 20.
This is a beautiful bottle green with maroon combination. So the borders of the saree have striped jari in it. The whole body has jari woven floral buttas in both golds and silver jari. The lower half has a very pretty pattern, as you can see in the lower half. When you pleat the saree, this comes here. A very classy design. Beautifully woven pallu and a plain green color blouse. So you can match this with contrast maroon color blouse, will look very pretty.
Saree number 20, priced at 9,450. Yeah, we'll start off with Kanjivaram silk, starting with saree number 21, priced at 6,280. 6,280.
Beautiful iron butta concept in affordable range. The borders of the saree have yane and peacocks in it. It's a very pretty deep purple color saree. The whole body has tiny jari woven floral buttas. Comes with a pink color jari woven pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 21, priced at 6,280. We'll start off with the Kanjivaram silk for the session, Starting with saree number 21, priced at 6,280.
A very rich brocade designed body with beautiful peacock blue and purple combination. The borders of the saree have plain purple color border along with manga jari woven buttas. Very richly woven jari pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse. Very classy saree.
Yeah, saree number 21, priced at 6,280. Moving on to saree number 22, priced at 6,280.
This is a beautiful parrot green with blue combination. Beautiful jacquard woven patterns all over the body. The borders of the saree have manga jari woven buttas in blue. A very classy designed pallu in blue. And a beautiful blue color blouse. Very pretty saree.
Saree number 22, priced at 6,280, 6280. Up next is saree number 23, priced at 6,680, 6680.
This is again a very pretty color combination. It's a light copper sulfate blue with dark blue combination. It's got a self-checkered pattern all over the body. The borders of the saree have peacock jari woven buttas in it. Very classy saree. A beautifully woven pallu, which has got a checkered pattern, and a plain blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 23, priced at 6,680. Moving on to saree number 24, priced at 6,680, 6680.
We have another combination in the same design. This is going to be a light parrot green with red combination. Self-checkered pattern all over the body. Beautiful red color borders with peacocks in the borders. A checkered pallu which has got very intricately designed buttas and a plain red color blouse.
Alright, so this is saree number 24, priced at 6,680. Moving on to saree number 25, priced at 7,980.
This is a black with purple combination. It's an iron butta concept in affordable range. Beautiful floral thin strip of gold jari border in the upper portion. The whole of the body has nice floral jari buttas. Very intricately woven purple color jari pallu and a plain purple color blouse. So I do have colors in the same design.
Yeah, this is saree number 25, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 26, priced at 7,980.
This is a very pretty pink with a double shaded orangish pink color pallu. The upper portion of the saree has a beautiful jari border, floral jari border. The whole of the body has tiny jari woven buttas. Beautifully woven jari pallu and borders. Very intricately woven pallu, that's going to be the pallu. And a double shaded orangish pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 26, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 27, priced at 6,780.
A beautiful peacock green with purple combination, a double shaded purple. Beautiful iron butta concept all over the body. Very pretty woven borders on either side, which has got yane and peacock buttas. And a pink colored jari woven pallu with a plain pink color blouse. Very pretty saree.
Saree number 27, priced at 6,780.
I have another color in the same design.
Yes, saree number 28, priced at 6,780.
This is a deep purple with pink combination. Yane and peacocks in the borders. The whole body has an iron butta concept floral pattern. Beautiful jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 28, priced at 6,780, 6,780.
Next we have a very new concept.
Saree number 29, priced at 8,680.
So this is going to be copper jari on Kanjivaram. This is a light chocolate brown with copper jari in it. Beautifully woven borders which has got peacocks in it. The whole body has very pretty floral jari woven buttas. Very classy sari. And that's going to be the pallu. It's got a beautiful design on the pallu and a plain running blouse.
Sari number 29, priced at 8,680.
So we have black.
Yeah, sari number 30, priced at 8,680.
Beautiful copper jari. Very different sari. Woven jari borders on either sides. The whole body has copper jari woven floral buttas all over. Very different and classy. That's going to be the pallu. Beautifully woven jari pallu and a plain black color blouse.
Sari number 30, priced at 8,680. Okay, so the last sari for this session is sari number 31, the deal of the day sari. The actual price is 8,450, the deal price is 6,950, 6,950.
So this is a beautiful light army green with onion pink combination. So it's got silver jari in the borders and gold jari in the body. The whole body has beautiful floral jari woven, gold jari woven buttas. The borders are silver color jari. And the lower half of the sari has very beautiful floral designs, as you can see. And a very pretty pallu in onion pink. Beautifully designed pallu which has got both gold and silver jari and a plain onion pink color blouse.
Sari number 31, price at 6,950. Yeah, that's all for this session.
So that is it for today's session. People who would like to buy the sarees that I showcased in today's video, please click on the link that will be present in the comment section. The link is active. You can go ahead with your purchase. People who would like to get stitching and embroidery done, we do it only for prepaid orders. So please go ahead with your order. Fill in the Google form with your measurements. If at all you have any queries, you can always ping us at our WhatsApp number, which is 760493 6565. People at Chennai can drop into our store, which is at Mahalingapuram. We are very close to Loyola College and just behind Lalchand Jain Hospital, and we are on the parallel street to the Ayyappan Temple at Mahalingapuram. So thank you so much for joining. We will catch you with our next live session on Wednesday. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and happy shopping. Bye-bye.